Question number 21. Which of the following cast iron consists of carbon in a rosette form? Options are white cast iron, grey cast iron, malleable cast iron, nodular cast iron. So let's see the solution. Different types of cast iron. So the following figure shows different types of cast iron. So the first one is basically malleable cast iron. Malleable. Let's write it here. Malleable. Here graphite rosettes. These are basically graphite rosettes in an alpha ferrite matrix. So these are basically alpha ferrite matrix. And these are graphite rosettes. So basically this is the answer to our question. But let's see the other options also. This is basically nodular or also ductile iron. Here these dark color are called graphite, are basically dark graphite nodules. Third one is gray iron. These are basically gray. This is called gray iron. This is how the structure looks like. And here dark graphite flakes. These are basically graphite flakes. And an alpha ferrite matrix. And the fourth one is white iron. White iron. White iron, the light, these are basically cementite. The cementite regions are surrounded by pearlite. So different types of iron is malleable cast iron, nodular cast iron, gray iron, white iron, etc. So in malleable cast iron we have graphite rosettes, which structure looks like this. Nodular cast iron graphite, basically dark color graphite nodules are seen. The structure of nodules looks like this. In gray iron, graphites are in the form of flakes. Flake structures are seen. These are basically called flake structures. And white iron we have cementite plus pearlite structure, which looks like this. So the question is, which of the cast iron consists of iron in rosette format? Answer is malleable cast iron. 21 option is C. Question number 22. Puddling is the process employed for converting. Puddling, PUDDLING, is used for converting pig iron to wrought iron. Option B, 22 option B is the right answer. So pig iron converted to wrought iron using puddling. Now this wrought iron is 99.5% iron content is present. It's a very pure iron. So 22 option is B. Pig iron to wrought iron is converted using the process called puddling. Question number 23. The melting point of mild steel in degree centigrade is about. So the melting point of mild steel is option D, 1500 degrees centigrade. 23 option is D. So exact value is around 1427 degrees centigrade, which is the melting point of steel, mild steel. Now melting point of stainless steel is around 1510 degrees centigrade, and melting point of aluminium is around 660 degrees centigrade, and melting point of copper is around 1084 degrees centigrade. So the nearest option is D, 1427 melting point of mild steel. Stainless steel will be around 1510, aluminium 660 degrees centigrade, copper will be higher than aluminium, will be around 1084 degrees centigrade. 23 option D is the right answer. So question number 24, which is the magnetic allotrope of iron? Magnetic allotrope is asked. So there are basically several allotropes of iron: alpha iron, beta iron, gamma iron, etc. So which is the magnetic allotrope? Let's see the solution. So this figure shows the cooling curve of pure iron. So in x-axis we have time and y-axis we have temperature in degree centigrade. So as seen here, alpha iron is basically the magnetic allotrope of iron, which has a BCC structure, and alpha iron is also non-magnetic in this temperature range, that is 910 degree to 768. It is non-magnetic, below which it is magnetic, alpha iron. The other allotropes are gamma iron. Gamma iron, it has an FCC structure, and delta iron is also having a BCC structure. So delta iron BCC structure, gamma iron FCC structure, alpha iron is again BCC structure, and below 768 it is magnetic. So this is basically the right answer. So the melting point of iron is around 1539 degrees centigrade, above which it is liquid. So let's go to the choices. So the magnetic allotrope of iron option is option A, 24A is the right answer. So 25, question number 25 was cancelled. So let's move on to question number 26. 18-8 stainless steel. So this is again a very common question which is asked in many competitive exam. 18-8 stainless steel consists of, option is option B, choice B, 18% chromium and 8% nickel. So several options are given: 18% tungsten, 8% chromium, 18% tungsten, nickel, vanadium nickel. Answer is 18% chromium and 8% nickel. So this includes 18-8 stainless steel includes SS basically means stainless steel, SS304, SS304L, etc. different variants. So 26 option is B, 18% chromium and 8% nickel.